Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey Jihan, thank you for taking the time to talk to me today. I would like to discuss how you make your job more enjoyable.
Hey to Nadia, of course, I think there are a few things that make me feel at home and happy working at my current workplace. First of all, the positive and supportive work atmosphere in my workplace really helps. The collaboration between coworkers also makes the job more enjoyable. We support each other and help each other to achieve common goals.
That sounds great. What about the daily task or project that you handle? Are there any special things that you do to make them more enjoyable?
Yes, of course. I always try to create clarity in my work. For example, if I have a challenging project, I always try to see it as an opportunity to learn something new. I also like to set realistic goals and celebrate small achievements along the way. This helps me stay motivated and feel that my work is meaningful.
Are there any specific strategies or habits that you implement to maintain a balance between your personal life and work?
Sure, I believe that maintaining balance is key to staying happy and energized at work. I make time to do things I enjoy outside of work, such as exercising or spending time with family and friends. This helps me feel refreshed and energized when I turn to work.
How do you set these boundaries?
I usually have a well-structured daily or weekly schedule and set aside time for work and try not to exceed that time. I also set aside time to exercise or do a hobby that I enjoy every day. This helps me feel emotional and physical balance.
Are there any specific habits or routines that you do outside of work to help maintain this balance?
Yes, I strongly believe in the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Outside of work, I am active in social activities with friends and family. I also have time to meditate or do yoga to relieve stress and recharge after a long day at work.
How do you manage the stress or demands of your job that might affect your time outside of work hours?
To manage stress, I always communicate openly with my boss and team about priorities and deadlines. If I feel overwhelmed, I don't hesitate to ask for help or ask questions something is unclear. This helps me stay focused on the tasks that matter and minimize unnecessary stress outside of work hours.
Is there any advice you would share with others who might be looking for ways to maintain a work-life balance?
My advice would be to know your own boundaries and commit to sticking to them. Prioritize your personal health and happiness, as this will have a positive impact on your performance and at work. Don't hesitate to seek support from coworkers or your boss if you find the if you find these lines difficult.
Is there any advice or tip you would share with others who might be looking to make their jobs more enjoyable?
I think the most important is to find what motivates you and makes you happy in your work. Everyone has different preferences, so it's important to find out what you truly enjoy and capitalize on it. When you find your passion and can integrate it into your daily work, it can make your work more enjoyable and meaningful.
How do you find your passion in your work?
I believe that passion doesn't always come instantly, but can be built over time. I start by exploring different aspects of my work and trying out challenging tasks or projects. I also actively talk to my coworkers and superiors about my interests and strengths so they can help me find opportunities that are a good fit for me.
Are there any other practical things I can do to make my work more enjoyable?
Yes, I always try to create a positive and collaborative work atmosphere. Supporting each other among coworkers is essential to creating a fun environment. I also recommend always looking for opportunities to learn and grow. Education and self-development can provide additional satisfaction and help improve the quality for our work.
What about maintaining a balance between work and personal life?
That's also very important. I always try to set clear boundaries between work and leisure time. Managing my time usually helps me stay fresh and energetic while working, and also gives me time to do things I enjoy outside of work.
Do you have any final advice you would like to share with people who want to make their jobs more enjoyable?
Leslie, don't hesitate to communicate with your boss or team about what makes you feel motivated and happy at work. Having an open dialogue about our needs and expectations can help create a more positive and fulfilling work environment for everyone.
Thank you very much for this valuable interview. I am sure it will be useful for many people who are looking for ways to make their jobs more enjoyable.
Thank you also for the opportunity. I'm happy to share my experience. Hope it is useful. Thank you.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.